Whisky, you say? In the shampoo? You heard me right, my friend. See, it all started when the folks at Viore met our good mate Hamish, a local from a small Scottish isle called Islay, famous for their single malt whisky. You see, when it comes to shampooing your hair, no one knows their business better than Viore, and the same can be said for the locals of Islay about whisky. So what did Viore do? Well, they went and formulated new Longshung Rice shampoo and conditioner bars infused with a dram of whisky. According to Hamish, the damp, peaty environment here on Islay and the inland salt spray make it the perfect location for distilling and creates the strongest flavour malt whisky you'll find the world over. And it's the richness of this unparalleled distillate that also happens to create surprisingly astounding effects on your hair. It's as good for the scalp as it is for the soul, Hamish would always say. Of course, it's the antioxidants in the whisky that repair your hair and give it healthy roots. And that's what gave our good mate Hamish the genius idea to make it available in bars. Bars of shampoo and conditioner, infused with whiskey. It's brilliant. It's everything you and your hair crave, and a good shot more. They've got citron ginger, charred patchouli, and aged sandalwood scents. None of which will leave your hair smelling like whiskey, by the way, and is grand for all hair types. I tell you, it's a different kind of shampoo as much as it is a different way to shampoo. It eliminates plastic bottling and packaging, which is nice, but it's the way it helps moisturize, strengthen, and rejuvenate your hair that leaves it looking as good as a shot of single malt makes you feel. Go ahead, lather up. Here's to your hair. Good on the rocks, even better on your locks. Viore's new Hamish shampoo and conditioner bar collection. Now available at viore.com.